This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the bubble egg in Bubblegum Simulator. This special egg requires a very specific approach, unlike many other eggs in the game. We will go through each step carefully, ensuring you have all the information needed to add this unique item to your collection. It's a fun challenge that many players enjoy completing. The core of getting the bubble egg revolves around one exact number, 777. It's not about having a huge bubble or a tiny one, but hitting this specific count. If your bubble size is anything other than 777 when you sell it, the egg will not be awarded. Precision is key here, so pay close attention to your bubble counter. To achieve that perfect 777 bubble count, preparation is vital. First, unequip all your pets, as they can increase your bubble size too quickly. Next, use the beginner gum, which offers more control. As you get close to 777, consider switching to a gum that only adds one bubble at a time for ultimate precision. After carefully reaching exactly 777 bubbles, the final step is simple: sell your bubble. You can do this in any world or area you prefer. The location does not affect the outcome. Upon successfully selling a bubble of this precise size, the coveted bubble egg will be yours. Congratulations on mastering this unique challenge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.